So now we'll be going with application of derivatives. As I've discussed derivatives quite clearly, so I will suggest you to go with the easy approach of differentiation, easy techniques of differentiation, first few videos, then you can understand these all things quite easily. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve x square plus 2y square is 9 at -1, 2 on it. So this is what the curve is. Now equation of tangent, for anything just get dy by dx. Look at this question, x square plus 2y square is 9. Get its derivative, basically meaning dy by dx on both sides and all. So this is x square is 2x, 2y square is 4y into dy by dx. Like if it is 2x square it is 4x, but as it is 2y square, so you can think of as 2 start square. Y happens to be another variable, so this comes to be 0. That way so it's x square plus 2y square is 9, so this is 2x plus 2 into 2y into dy by dx, what I'm writing as y dash is dy dx of 9 is 0. So 2x plus 4y y dash is 0. So 4y y dash is minus 2x. Y dash is minus 2x by 4y, which is minus 1 by 2x x by y. Sorry. So it's basically minus 1 by 2x into y is what is writing as minus x by 2y. So this is the dy by dx. Then put this point minus 1 to x is minus 1. So this I got to be minus 1 by 2 x by y. So in place of x I'm writing minus 1, in place of y I'm writing 2. So that happens to be 1 by 4. So the dy by dx is also called a slope, written as m. Dy by dx you can say is m. Equation of the tangent formula for equation of a line is y minus y1 is m into x minus x1. Equation of any line whose slope is known, any point on this is known. So slope is what you got as dy by dx, which was 1 by 4, and x1 y1 was the point on which was given to be probably minus 1, 2 or something. That's it, put and get kind of question. So it's minus 1, 2, m is 1 by 4. So y minus, this is x1, this is y1. So y minus 2 is m is 1 by 4 and x minus of minus 1. 4 getting multiplied here, cross multiply, 4 into y minus 2 is x plus 1. Minus into minus is plus. So you can open this up. This is 4y minus 8 is x plus 1. Everything you can take this side, so x minus 4y plus 1 plus 8 is 0. You will get some answer like x minus 4y plus 9 is 0. Okay. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve y is this at the point where it crosses the y-axis. Now when a line is crossing the y-axis, any coordinate on the y-axis is 0, y. Anything over here is x0. You can make out when I'm reading, I'm not reading at 0 comma y, x comma y or something. Comma is not read actually in coordinate geometry. At the point where it crosses the y-axis basically means x is 0. So put x as 0. Y is 0 square minus 0 plus 2. So you'll get y as, putting x as 0, you will get y as 2. So this is 0, 2. That's it. After that the question very much becomes the previous question. Okay, I'm going to this. Find the points on the curve where the tangent is parallel to x-axis. When something is parallel to x-axis, theta is 0 degree between that line and this x-axis. Angle between two parallel lines is 0 degrees. Angle between a line and itself is 0 degree. So slope, as I discussed, slope is dy by dx. It's also having a formula like tan theta. So this is tan 0, which is 0. Now in this question, you get dy by dx and finally equalize to 0. That's it. You will get some answers. And once you're getting the x values, you can finally put over here to get the y values. Clear cut question. Show that the curve, when it is perpendicular, if something is perpendicular, this is 90 degrees. This is the x and y axis. This is 90 degrees. So tan theta is tan 90, which is infinity. So m equals to infinity. Whatever you have got, you can just reciprocate. 1 by m is 1 by infinity. So 1 by m is 0. Get the m value and then use 1 by m is 0. You can get the answer. Next thing I'll discuss in the next video. Thanks for watching.